In this video, we will start the new track for data science, and the programming language that we will use for data science will be R programming. And for this, you need to install R environment first. So you can open any browser and search or install this. Second, search or install, and you need to click the first link. If you are using Windows, then you can just click the download R 4.1.0 for Windows link. And if you are using some other operating system, then you just need to go to the main URL, crane.or-project.org, and click. So here you can see the R available for the Linux, Mac operating system, and for the Windows. And for this series, because I'm using Windows, so I will click download R for Windows. And you need to click here the first, install R for the first time, and you just need to install R 4.1.0. Click this link, and this exe will be downloaded. So it is 85.4 MB. You just need to double click and select language, click OK, and you just need to click next. Because I had already installed, so I will not install it. So because it's very straightforward, you just need to follow the wizard. And the second software that you need to install is rstudio. And click this link, and then you have to click download. And here you can see the here you can see the rstudio desktop, the free version. Click download, and here you can see the download for the Windows. And for the other operating system, you can find here like Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, etc. Right? So you just need to click here the RStudio 1.4, and here the RStudio will be downloaded. And it is straightforward. You just need to double click, and here you can see next. So you just need to follow the default wizard, because I had already installed both the R environment and the RStudio. So you just need to install these two, and then you are done. So after this, you have to um, open the RStudio. So this is the interface of the R environment. So this is the console, the environment history, connection, git, and tutorial. And here you can see the files, plot, and packages. So we will explore all these things with the passage of time. So let's try to print something. For example, here in the console, you can write here print, and simple hello world, hit enter, and here you can see the hello world is printed, right? Otherwise, you can just click here. The standard way is you just need to click R script, and here you have to save it. Save as hello world, and here you can write here print my first print statement. And you just need to either you can click here run this one, either you can just uh, click here anywhere on the first line and the control, and then you need to press control and hit enter. So your program will be executed, and here you can see it is printing my first print statement. So here is the short introduction, and from next on we will start the proper programming. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.